Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today is December 10th, so we're going to open another chocolate from our Teletubbies Advent Calendar. Let's see, number 10 is on Lala's leg. Let's see what shape it is today. It looks like it's another reindeer with antlers. Let's go see what the Teletubbies are doing. They were trying to put a gingerbread train together and it fell apart. They're going to need our help. Let's go, Kitty. This is what the gingerbread train is supposed to look like. And this is what the Teletubbies train looks like. It's all in pieces and fell apart. But it's okay, Teletubbies. We're here to help you put it back together. We just need a lot more icing so that the pieces will stick. Each piece of gingerbread has been decorated with beautiful candies and icing. There's swirly red and white candies, little circles, and even gumballs. This is the side of the train with the wheel. We need to fix some of the decoration on the side. The icing is starting to harden, and as soon as it hardens, it sticks together better. We need to hold the two sides up and put on the roof at the same time. I need both hands to do this. Let's add a little more icing first. Oops, I missed. Good thing we have lots of icing. Let's do the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect. We don't even see this part because it'll be underneath the roof. Put the roof on and hopefully it sticks and doesn't fall down. We'll make sure that the wheels hold the sides together. It's already looking better, Teletubbies. And guess who's on her way to check things out? It's Kitty, and she smells the train. Yummy. Don't lick it, Kitty. It's not for kitty cats. Now we add a little more icing towards the front of the train. And push it back on. There. I think that will stay. We've added enough icing. The gingerbread train is ready to ride. All aboard! Who's going to ride on the caboose? Po and Lala, which means Dipsy and Tinky Winky are going to be driving the train. They're the engineers. Chugga, 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 choo-choo! There goes the train. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to open up Grandpa Pig's train. And it makes some sounds when you press the seat. Let's open our toy and take it out of the box. Here we have Grandpa Pig and George. George has a little red train on his blue shirt, and Grandpa Pig has a whistle around his neck that looks like the number 9. And he's got a blue hat. Here's the front of our train. The little red stick shift moves the train back and forth. And look, the wheels are blue. They spin round and round. Let's add the little car. The first car we're going to add is blue, and it says Peppa Pig on it. We need to attach them together. There's a hook and a ring. The second car is yellow. Let's attach it to the back. Grandpa Pig is the engineer, so he hops into his front seat. Oh, let's move your legs forward so you can sit down, Grandpa Pig. George would like to ride in the blue car. That's his favorite color. Let's move your legs forward. And we have one more guest who's arrived. It's Dougie, and he's going to ride in the yellow car. Hi, Dougie. All aboard. Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo, choo. Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo, choo. Grandpa Pig asked Dougie if he'd like to ride in the front of the train.
Full steam ahead.
Let's see if Dougie will fit. Oh dear, Dougie, you're too large for the front seat. Sorry, you're gonna have to go to the back again, and Grandpa Pig will hop on. Look who's just arrived. It's Kitty. She sees a new toy and wonders what it is. Hi, Kitty. Would you like to listen to all the sounds the train makes?
Ho-ho! Hop aboard. Full steam ahead. Grandpa the train goes choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. Grandpa the train goes choo-choo-choo, all day long. And the babies on the train go oink, 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 oink. And the babies on the train go oink, 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 all day long. Gertrude is the very best train in the whole world.
Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Daniel Tiger and his family are arriving on the fun train. Let's see what's on the back of the fun train today, Daniel Tiger. It's a little tiny red and yellow book. It's from the Bob Book series, and the title is called Go Bus. The front picture is a picture of a school bus. Go Bus. Red got on the bus. Ned got on the bus. Red and Ned met on the bus. Go bus. The bus ran up the hill. The bus ran down the hill. Stop! The bus did not stop. Stop the bus. Stop the bus. The bus did stop. Red got off the bus. Ned got off the bus. Dad met Red at the bus stop. Mom met Ned at the bus stop. Bye bye Red, bye bye Ned. The end. Time for a fun ride. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Here comes Thomas the Train with a special delivery. But before we have a look at what he has, I have a special mission for you Tiny fans. Throughout the video, there's going to be a hidden object. You need to look for this car at some point and point it out. Thomas has arrived at the Dinosaur Museum today. Uh-oh, it looks like Thomas is at the wrong location. This is supposed to be for the aquarium. The Ocean Rescue Group has rescued this hammerhead shark, and we need to get him to the aquarium as soon as possible. The next day, Thomas arrives with the proper delivery. Fossilized dinosaur eggs and some bones. I think I see a skull bone in there. What do you see? Thank you very much, Thomas, for the delivery. These are the parts I need to complete my T-Rex. All I need is the shin bone and the femur bone. Tiny fans, can you tell where this bone goes on the dinosaur? It's the knee and shin bone, and it goes right here, which leaves the femur bone, and it goes up here. Thomas has done his deliveries for the day. He has a huge hill to climb at the Dinosaur Museum. Wow, and the tunnel goes right through the T-Rex. Uh-oh, Thomas is stuck. The only way to go is backwards. Thomas just can't go through, so we help him out. Did you find the mini car in the video, Tiny fans? If not, have another look. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies have a special guest. But first we need to find out where Lala is. Here comes Lala now, arriving on the yellow taxi. She was fishing all day. Do you know how to spell the word taxi? It's T-A-X-I. So Lala, did you catch anything fishing? A bright silver fish. Perfect for dinner. It's time for the special guest to arrive. But first the Teletubbies are having lunch on the Tubby Custard Train. The guest pulls up in a blue and white car. Do you know who it is? It's Dipsy's brother. Ayo! Everyone welcomes Dipsy's brother. His name is Pipsy. He's going to make tubby custard for the Teletubbies. I think that's enough tubby custard, Pipsy. It's time to ride the train. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Look, here comes Daniel Tiger and Plex in the trolley. Hi Plex and hi Daniel Tiger. What's going on today? Oh, you have more friends coming? Oh boy, on the big pink bus. Well, let's wait and see if they come. And here they're arriving now. Oh, look, I see Dora, Gypsy, and Nunu. Everyone come off the bus. We've got some exciting surprises today. The Ninky Nonks arriving with some new little baby animals. There goes the big pink bus. Bye. And here comes the Ninky Nonk. Hi, Ninky Nonk. What do you have for us today? Oh, I think I see some calico critters. And these are little baby hedgehogs. They're so fuzzy and cute. Let's have a look at them. Oops, we dropped one. This is the little girl, and she's in a little pink diaper. And boy, is her hair ever fluffy. And it's very soft as well. We'll just put her over there. And this is the little boy hedgehog. He's wearing a blue diaper. His hair's just as fluffy, and he's crawling. What other little baby animals do we have? Hedgehogs? Let's have a look. Oh, they're little baby pandas. And there's a boy and a girl in here as well. Let's take a look. Here's a little baby girl. She's wearing a little pink outfit. And she's very soft. And her diaper can be removed. She also comes with a little soother that fits in a little hole in her mouth. Oh, she likes her little soother. Let's have a look at your brother. And he has a little blue outfit on. And he also has a little hole in his mouth because he comes with a little baby bottle and has water in it. Gotta stay hydrated. It's good to drink water, little panda baby. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.